Hey guys, good morning everybody. Welcome back again to my channel. What I want to talk about today now about some mentality of some men in our community, okay, and how many of them see women, and another thing again, how women in our community they unprotected. Why I talk say the day unprotected now? What you they see for this video? So we talk say one man delete his stepmother because the woman they appear for a dream. Okokokoko. How can person go delete his stepmother? Una never think. Say what if he cause this kind of thing? For me, now poverty mentality. Man wey be say he never take and do, he never find work once, he never do anything for his life, or he dey go through challenges for life because of where they for born now. Say the men from a community, they no want build, they no want work, they no want do anything. All of them they wait for manna from above to come hit them from head. Then they will come rich. They no want start from somewhere. That is why when they see people like this, they go delete their mother, they go delete their stepmother, they go accuse everybody saying that they be the source of their problem, minus them themselves who never look for work one day. Una see how this thing happen for Ebonyi State, for Abakaliki capital, where this man for carry himself go by his stepmama, say now she can't be a problem now. Say he go for get money without looking for work, without creating job. Say na his stepmother cause all these things. He say it was reliable gathered that the 38 years old suspect Elon Magduka was said to have complained that his stepmother Augustina Odio was always appearing in his dreams and telling him that she was responsible for his lack of progress. Oga Maduka, wetin responsible for that your progress wey be say e no comot for where you dey for years now? Some na because say you no dey think beyond the way where you dey. Two, na where they for born you, the country Nigeria, wey be say many people they not ready for life. Even the government not ready. The citizens too, they not ready for do anything for themselves. Some they struggle, but their struggle it no make sense, not be the right way. Some of us they make life difficult for each other, for our behavior, for our attitude. But to go meet your stepmother, come go delete the poor woman, come for grant, say now she be the source of your problem. Now that one me I no can understand though. Now that one come bad inside. Carry the poor woman, you go delete them. Wait till the woman can't do you rich like that. You say now she be the problem when they hold your progress. So I hope say as you delete this woman, so say that your progress can start to. That money where you never get for years, I hope say you start to get money, oh Maduka. Because if you no come turn to billionaire, make we dey hear your name for everywhere. This the way you do so now waste. Now waste, you just delete this woman for no reason. You say Eloy trade the woman, his stepmother, go farm. Even the stepmother, when you say oh your progress, the woman, the poor woman, say they go farm. And they can't go take this thing, agege, take go touch the woman. He can't do the woman, delete the poor woman. He just do the woman one kind, which is very wrong. Not be so that they do something. Who can't tell her all this one now? Make we see whether pastor still get hand for all this wahala, because now no say Niger pastor, they be tortoise we know they finish for story. That is why I want to go check her now if they still join, because all those their wayo vision at times they cause problem. They say they can't arrange the man for court. say why you can't do this kind thing to this poor woman. Wetin this woman do you reach like this? I don't hear so many stories where many people don't turn to their mama, their papa enemy because of wetin pastor tell them. Some don't abandon their whole family because of wetin pastor tell them. They just go delete this woman for nothing. Abeg go make sure say you become rich as you don't delete this woman. So you not be just delete this woman like that. You will still continue to be poor. Now that one me I not like go. If you know say na person they suffer you, na person dey for your progress, you go delete her or you can expose the person. I hope say as you don't delete this woman now, say that your progress where they hold it come back. If not, it not go good. Okay? So make una stop all this behavior. Make una stop and make una change Nigeria people. People, nobody owe your progress. The where they for born you alone, they already remove 50%. Say you go dey rich, or 30% say you go dey rich. The environment, the people, the ability to create wealth is difficult at times. And at times, some people they very lazy to do anything for themselves. I'm not sure say na mama, na papa, na cause all this one, or na stepmother. Many na laziness cause all this one. Many pastors don't brainwash them say na somebody hold their progress. Some of them they wait for Sky Daddy. May Sky Daddy bring money come for them. Some they wait for God to come intervene for their life before they go find work. So this matter is not clear, is not balanced. We could not leave our women alone. No. We could not leave our women alone. Nobody get right to delete anybody at all. And you don't delete this woman now. We hope say you become a millionaire with the hear your name for Nigeria. If not, you don't destroy somebody, mama. You don't destroy somebody's sister. You don't destroy somebody's family. So make we still learn all this pastor too. When they see dream appearing in the dream, doing this in the dream, they could not stay one place so because una vision, they cause problem. Una whatever interpretation of dream, they cause wahala for so many home. I beg. Una not start they give the vision and all those things they give people. Because at the end of the day, now problem for everybody. Okay? Make I stop this video for here. I just want to make una see this thing when person fit do a fellow person. Say it no good. Make we learn to be our brothers and sister keeper. Make we learn to treat our women in a better way, in a better position. Because now they be the people will bring us on this life. Without them, we know what they this world. Men supposed to protect women, not be to remove them, delete them. Come on for this beautiful world. That's why I say this matter rich. Bye bye everyone. Now they be here to care. Don't forget to like, share this video. Bye.